If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone to another Bitcoin update. So what is going on right now is that we're in the topping out process. Of course, we will dump if a certain support is lost. We can of course avoid all of this as long as one certain support holds and a certain level is reclaimed. We're going to run through all of this in today's update, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. We're under 200 subs away from 8k. Let's hit that as quick as possible. Now guys, it's very important, the level that we're sitting at right now, $40,181, because this is our 1 fib level, also our range low. It's the lowest point of our current range, and then we can see if we ever do lose it, then there's resistances over here. There are some supports and previous resistances in this location, so we've also got some confluence with the Fibonacci's and the moving averages, suggesting that if we do ever lose this range low, that there are other levels of support directly beneath that could prop us back up and hold the uptrend and see that continuation eventually. So the level that we're looking at again, $40,181. Make sure you mark that out, or whatever this candle's wick is at on your specific exchange's chart. So what we now need to do to go ahead and invalidate any further downside to these three targets between 35.5 and 38k is hold above the 1 fib level, of course, but then actually reclaiming the 55 and the 20 moving average. Why is this important? Because right now we are underneath both of these key moving averages. They are meant to act as support in an uptrend. So if we ever do lose them, as you can see in the past, we are holding them, we continue the uptrend. You have another chance of holding the uptrend even if you do lose this key level. You have the 55 moving average that acts such as a second layer of defense. Of course, knowing that it's a second layer of defense, it must show this as well as just bouncing. It must also reclaim the opposite moving average, the 20, for bullish continuation. If you want the 55 moving average to be used as a second layer of defense, we must bounce from there and reclaim the 20, confirming a support, and then boom, you're back in your uptrend. So that's why it's vital right now that we don't go ahead and lose the 1 fib level, $40,181, simply because we've already lost the 55. So if we're looking at the moving averages, we're already being given hints that it wants to continue to the 200 EMA just underneath $36,000. However, even though we've lost the moving averages and the suggestion is that we should go down there, there are also horizontal supports and resistances as well as Fibonacci levels that can come into play even before meeting the 200 EMA. So that's why we're watching out for this 1 fib level, $40,181. Even though we've lost the 55, we should assume that we're coming down here. I wouldn't personally, because we can't ignore the supports and this is the low of our range. So while we are still above that point, we technically have higher lows, and so we're not yet going into that bearish territory where we are trending downwards, because we're not losing the lowest point of the range. And so to go into a downtrend, we need a lower low. So we just need to simply break that. If we do not get the breakdown, that is why we need a reclaim of the 55 and the 20, and eventually $44,400, so we can continue pumping up. Guys, I know that we're talking about a bullish path over here, but please do understand, the moment that this level is lost, we're looking to dump lower, and then this is unfortunately unsuccessfully worked out as a key level of support. So all eyes, all focus is on that 1 fib level right over here. Make sure you mark that out in your own personal chart. Guys, if you want to get educated, I have everything in place for you to learn all that I know. Just take action using the links in the description of each update, or private message me on Twitter. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 8k, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.